Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Formidable forms in WordPress. First, you'll need to install and activate the plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Once activated, a new Formidable menu item will appear, giving you access to all its powerful features. This tool allows you to create custom forms for various purposes, from simple contact forms to complex surveys, with ease and great flexibility. To begin, head to the Formidable menu in your WordPress admin area and select Add New. This opens the Form Builder, where you can easily drag and drop different field types onto your canvas. Choose from over 100 field options, including text, email, and drop-downs. Remember to customize each field's label and settings to perfectly suit your form's purpose. After building your form, it's time to configure its settings. Here, you can define the form's title and description, and crucially, set up email notifications so you're alerted to new submissions. You can also customize the message users see after submitting, or even redirect them to a specific page. Explore the styling options to match your form's appearance with your website's design. Once your form is complete, you can easily display it on any page or post using a shortcode or the dedicated WordPress block. All submitted entries are stored securely and can be viewed and managed directly within your WordPress dashboard. You also have the option to export this data for further analysis. Don't forget to explore advanced features like conditional logic to create dynamic and responsive forms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.